And this is another type of squash called kabocha squash. It's somewhat similar to the Fiji squash.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one there, big one.
Yeah. The biggest ones are here. They'll be ready in about another month.
Wow. It's like a Indian one or what?
Each one of them has. And then this is another type of squash. Okay, this of course, again, it's the queen. But this one, it's coming out like that. This is called a Hubbard squash. It becomes like this.
Oh.
The yellow one or like the long green one?
It becomes green, and then later on it becomes bluish, light bluish.
Okay.
Yeah, bluish gray.
This is not the Oppo, not Oppo, right? I mean that size.
Huh?
Like the Oppo squash, the long one.
No,
No,
this is like a pumpkin.
Oh, it's like that.
Yeah. Depends how nourished and how healthy it is, but very healthy, they'll become like this.
Mm.
So this is survival food because you can keep it all winter. You can eat it all throughout the winter. You store them in a cool place underground. Is best. And like potatoes, you eat them all winter.
They grow all winter too?
No.
Okay.
But you can
Okay,
keep
you
them.
can keep
it.
yeah.
Like the potatoes, you
Yeah.
can keep them.
Yeah.
Like these squash, you can't keep that much. You can
Mm.
keep them 1 or 2 months,
Mm.
then they'll go bad. But these big squashes, you can
They
keep
have a
them.
hard shell probably.
They have a hard shell.
Yeah.
But you can cook, when you cook it, the shell becomes soft.
Mm.
You can eat.
No.
Yeah, and these are all chilies.
Mm-hmm.
Different types of hot chilies.
Are you growing the cayenne? What is it called?
Cayenne.
Cayenne, yeah.
And the cayenne is over there.
So you have it, okay.
This is another type of chili. It's called Trinidad Scorpion.
Oh. Yeah, this is totally like different.
You'll
Bites
feel
you.
it bites you. Where'd you get them all? I mean, like...
I go to different nurseries.
Mm.
There's one in Kent that I go to,
Mm.
and there's one in Enumclaw. So sometimes they just give me things for free. You make friends with them,
Yeah.
and there's something that's going a little bad or something, they just give it to me. Then I have to nurse it back to health
Mm.
and plant it. These were all, they were like this,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, like the yellow. Yeah.
But I planted it, took care of it. Now the new leaves have come up,
Mm.
so it came back alive. Yeah, you gotta be patient.
You get the small plants?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, next year I'm gonna sell the plants.
Okay.
I'll have all different types, and they'll be organic.
Yeah.
They'll be certified organic. I made a deal with this one nursery, and I'll give them the seeds. And they know how to grow things. I mean, they have their greenhouses, and everything is done scientifically. So I'm not going to play around anymore trying to sprout the seeds and everything, because you have to have a controlled environment. The heat, the water, everything. So they have these greenhouses, like this whole field, 10 acres of greenhouses.
Yeah.
And it's all mechanized and everything. So they're going to grow the plants for me, and I'll sell them here, organic. Tomatoes, squashes, chilies, everything.
Mm.
And I'm going to get them to grow Indian vegetables also. So you can buy them, and once they're a healthy plant like this, they just plant it in good soil. I'll have the soil also. And
Yeah.
just grow like anything like this. Look how green it is.
Yeah.
From now on, I'm not going to make any more small boxes. I'm just going to make big boxes. That's what I'm going to do in Auburn now. I make these big boxes. And then you compost in the box all winter long. And then by the next spring, you have new topsoil.
Yeah.
Right.
What do you put for compost? I mean, like
Cow dung.
Okay.
leaves, grass. That's it.
Oh, Narayan is still there on that side?
Where? He's over there on the other side of the barn,
Okay.
in the field.
I'll capture it too.
Huh?
I'll capture it too.
Yeah. And the other cows are out there. Yeah, see here I have some watermelon. I just planted these. They're not doing so good. But we'll see, you know. Sometimes they start out real iffy, but then when they root, they start to really grow.
And they need more space.
The watermelon comes out on the top.
Yeah. Just like that. That Halloween. What is it called?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Yeah, just like pumpkin.
These are Brussels sprouts. So I'll plant them tomorrow. Here you have cauliflower, you have broccoli, and you have cabbage. What is broccoli? No, probably cabbage. Yeah, this is cabbage. These are eggplants. They were really suffering, but now they're coming. They're coming back alive. So
Oh,
they get-
eggplant.
Yeah, this is eggplant. They'll come up like this.
Yeah.
You know, and they start producing eggplant. And this is Tej Patra
Oh, Tej Pata.
Bay Laurel.
Belief.
Bay leaf. Look how healthy they are.
Green.
Yeah. Bro, in this, like, they were saying you need to do some tree cutting, like, so once it grows, you chop it up from the top, then it grows, then you chop it.
Just leave it alone.
Meaning it will
I'm not an
make like
expert.
a.
I'm not an expert. But
Yeah.
every one of those flowers is an eggplant.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, it will make more branches and then it will.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
like
there's a
tulsi.
rule of 3 cuttings and something
Tulsi.
like that. Yeah.
Like
and,
tulsi.
yeah, like tulsi.
You know how to do it?
I will send you the link, bro.
Okay.
There's some guy in.
Yeah.
What is it?
India or United
Phoenix.
States?
In Phoenix, yeah, growing like that.
Mhm.
So it's just called rule of three clippings.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. I'll be willing to do it.
This is total 10 acre, bro, your farm?
9.5. Yeah.
I know, almost. Okay.
These are artichoke plants. They were all not doing well, but now they've come back. And they don't give any artichokes this year, they'll give them next year. And then over here,
So in my farm was like a 7 or 8, almost 10 acre, maybe around 8-9 acres.
see all these green plants, they were dead. They came back alive. Because the soil is very good. You know, they were all yellow, it looked like they were dead, but they came back. Amazing.
10 acre land away.
These are strawberry. These leaves are so small. You see, compared to the other one. That showed before.
Bamboo or something to support, right? It's
Yeah.
kind of a,
Well, I just want to see if they're going to...
they
Live.
cannot, they cannot.
These are grapes.
These are doing good. This one is doing good. This one's doing good. This one's a little bit. They're bare root. So, you know, we're just seeing which ones are actually alive.
Oh, so this one probably is done.
Yeah. You never know. Give them
Yeah.
like 1 year chance.
Come back.
Water and then.
This is another type. It's a special type of oregano. This is something that grows in Fiji. So Rasavati told me about it, and she saw it in the market in Samamas, so she bought it for me. So I planted it.
Oh.
This is Moroccan mint. Rub your finger on it. It has a different smell to it. It's very famous in Morocco.
This is very strong pudina.
Is it?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
It's very nice. It makes
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
nice tea.
Yeah, you just put 2, then you put in a test chutney.
Yeah. It's that much is enough. Yeah.
It's enough.
This is like the peppermint kind of.
Moroccan. Okay.
No, it's not peppermint, but it's
No, yeah.
It's
It has the
strong.
sweetish mint smell
Yes.
in it.
you see these.
Even
these
this looks
came
like
alive.
some mint.
These are grape trees. They came alive. And this, you should taste this. It's very good. It's a succulent, meaning it's very
Yeah.
has a nice juicy texture to it.
And probably this can be grown out of just the leaf.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh man, this is so strong. Wow.
See, those are eggplants. Tomorrow I have to transplant them. This is what
becoming
the other
yellow.
ones look like.
Yeah. When you are.
They're becoming yellow.
This is the batua, another type. They're doing very good here. They just grow wild. This is the lamb's quarters.
Bathua and lamb's quarter. Okay.
Yeah. And these are all
We don't
dead.
get in Batwine in here for shop, grocery.
Amaranth.
Amaranth is Batwine?
Yeah. So these guys came back alive. I have to transplant them now. They were all yellow. They looked dead, and they came back. See that? It's like this.
What is this actually?
These are zucchinis.
Oh.
See, they were like this,
Mm.
and now they've come back. It's amazing. Very powerful plants. And this is called pesto basil.
Yeah.
Rub your finger on it.
Oh, this is very hardy basil. Looks like.
And this is thyme.
Yeah.
Very similar to ajwain. Yeah, so that's, these are different types of, this apple tree was 4 types of apples on it.
Okay.
They look like they're dry though, I guess we watered them.
Lot of work.
Yeah, so that's our story today.
Yeah. Lot of work.
We got 4 types of fruit on this tree.
Oh, there
4
is
types
all
of fruit. Okay.
Yeah, we get these free. The Home Depot throws them out.
Oh.
And then we try and bring them back alive after transplant them.
They are marigold.
Yeah. यहाँ पे गेंदे का फूल उगा रहे हैं. देखो ये सारा कृष्णा को जाता है. बाद में जब बड़ा होता है तो कृष्णा
All flowers
का
go
हार
to the
बनता है.
temple.
सबसे मंदिर में जाता है सारा.
Yeah, they're really starting to grow now.
Yeah.
And this is all summer long. It will be sufficient to make mala for Krishna.
Look how healthy they are.
Yeah.
In India we have, right? This one?
They're smaller.
No. We have very big one.
No,
actually.
this it looks more like this one.
Here I saw they don't get too much. For one plant they have just like maybe 4, 5, 6. In India, one plant has like 20, 30 flowers.
Yeah, you wait a little bit, another month. They started
Okay.
out with 1 or 2 flowers. Now they have, look count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. On that one plant.
Yeah.
It'll end up 20, 25.
Okay, let's put Narayan. He's calling. Okay, let's see the Indian bull.
Hi Narayan, Hare Krishna. How are you? Hi boy.
मैं नज़दीक नहीं जा रहा हूँ उसके. ये अंधेरा है, दिखता नहीं है ठीक से. He is huge.
He's a big boy.
Yeah,
Now it become very strong.
I'm very scared.
He's pretty calm.